Got him. Oh, got him. Ah, got him. Oh. Whoa. My God. Okay, we're here at the launch. A little noisy here doing work on that dock over there, but you can see the islands. There's two more on past it. We're probably gonna stay on one of those islands. We're gonna take all of our gear, get camp set up, then we'll start fishing. So is that we just came out of the channel, right? Trolling along the intercoastal here, just pulling a little swim bait behind the kayak, catching up with Ty. Saw some jacks jumping earlier, chasing some bait, so hoping we get back into them here. Oh, there goes some bait fish right here. Got him. Oh.
Charlie.
All right, inside the tent. No sides on it. Be way too hot tonight. Time to go to sleep. Pop up before 6. Be on the water by 6. Get some more fishing in. Okay, I'm throwing in the towel on the tent. I'm tired of sweating and I don't smell real good, so I'm gonna join Ty in the great outdoors and set up a hammock. All right, it's all set up. New residence. No more of that sweat box. It's dark 30.
Yes, sir.
Pulling away from camp, going to fish. Here we go, heading off. Ty's heading somewhere. He must hear something busting, because he hollered at me and started going somewhere in a hurry. So hopefully we'll get on him quick. Oh my God, I left my camera. Gotta grab my camera. Gosh, dog it. I'll meet you over there. Oh, I missed him. I had him. I had one. Dang it. Oh, wow. Yep, there goes that rod for a little bit. Maybe. There's no way that's coming out. Wind knot, one rod down. Oh, yep. Oh, got him. Ah, got him. Oh, it's a good one. Whoa. What is that?
I don't know what you got. I was going to say it's a big trout, but
It's pulling like a jack. No, it's what is that?
sweet fish.
Oh my God, that's massive.
Whoa! Monster, you hit me alone. Unless you want to
Oh, golly. Huh?
Shark bait?
I'll use them for shark bait.
Yeah, keep it, man.
Okay. Woo, that's a big, I'll take that one to Navarre. Holy moly. That's the biggest blue I've ever caught.
All right. I thought you had a jack.
He was pulling like one. Good fight.
Topwater bluefish in the middle of the lake. I think a little over 20.
Pretty fat too.
I just stun him and throw him in the back.
All right. Going back to the island, we're gonna get a little breakfast, have a little water. All right, leaving the island, just ate breakfast, heading back out on the flats. Gonna throw some soft plastics, see what happens. All right, got some birds busting over here. Ow. All right. Got him. Oh. What is that? That paddle tail. I think so. I think it's a blue. Oh.
Oh, dude, that's a fish drop. Oh my God.
Yeah. Holy moly.
Good job, bro.
Wow.
Good job, man. Well, that's a trout. Right there.
Ah.
Is that your PB best trout?
22 is my best, so.
You beat it. You just beat it. You just beat it. Let's use your good one here.
I'll slide my phone there.
Get rid of that. Son's got a big trout, man. Check this out. You may not have beat it.
Right. Oh, right there.
He's like 19 and a half.
Oh!
Man, go.
Ah, now the sucky job of breaking camp.